Okay guys, you know I love decorating my home with thrifted treasures and vintage finds, but sometimes you need to take a trip to HomeGoods. So let's go. A lot of Mother's Day cute little accents. This is cute. How much is this? $12.99. Is this a candlestick? Can't really tell. And the outdoor patio sets by Rachel Zoe, $5.99, but you can get something similar and bigger on Amazon for cheaper. I'm really into this medium colored wood lately. $50. If you wanted to like flank your front door with some planters. These are cute. You put coffee, sugar. $10. That's not bad. Really feeling this whole little blue and white set. Look at this. $16.99. They have a whole kit. Cute linen look tablecloth for only $20. All the different runners. This one is only $20. Look at the stripes. You can get the same look. Black and white stripe, $10. Now that is a good deal. You can get like the tall, the small, whole little set. This same exact cup was at Williams Sonoma for $12, and here it's only $4. Now these are cute. Look, a little glam moment. Holographic. Oh, cute. Look at this cute little cup. Strawberry sponges. Not the most aesthetic, but cute. $6. I have like the bamboo brushes for only $3.99. That's a good deal. All you basket lovers, basket heaven. I was just thinking I needed a basket, but I really don't. But look, $15. That's a good deal. They have all the baskets for cheap, guys. Run to HomeGoods and get your baskets. Get your baskets. Cute for like a man setup. I like the cognac color. I'm really looking for one more tray to go in my bathroom. But this is plastic, guys. I don't know. I don't want plastic. Stock up on some towels. These are cute, but I definitely have a lot of, oh, these are pretty. How much? $12. I want to stock up on some towels for my kids. It's cute for all the little pink girlies. The pink tray. I wonder if I should get this for my daughter. For her bathroom. Whole little kit. Tissue box. This is plastic. No, this is painted wood though. I don't know how that would go. I prefer glass. Definitely cute though. It's exactly what I need for my entryway. It's $200 and very, very heavy. I don't know how I would fit that in my car, but it will definitely fit. I get it, because look, it's cracked. This is cute lighting, guys. $35. It's cute. This looks like something I saw Kelly Wursler's page. I really, really need an entryway table, and I could go for something like this, but I don't really like the pattern, but I do like the shape and I like the size. I really like this table. It's $60 for like the space that I have in my house. I'm definitely seeing a resurgence in glass and glam. So I feel like the whole Z Gallery look is making a comeback. There's still a lot of earthy and organic shapes like this, but I think this is a little bit waning and people are looking for something a little more zhuzhed up. That's just my opinion. But definitely not into these knots. I've seen it like overdone 1,000,001 times. So try to avoid the knots. Try to avoid the oversized beads. But I mean, do what you love. Do what you like. These boxes are cute. I've seen Sophie Patterson make something like that. Only thing I don't like is I feel like this gold is a little bit tacky. A Memorial Day party, and I was thinking these would be cute for for $6, and you get 12. They've got that little detail. just like a little cut above plastic, but I do like this color better. The whole aisle with the candle warmers. Each of them is like 20 bucks. Like this one has a cute ribbed. I really like this one. I'm not the biggest fan of the tone of gold, but definitely cute for 20 bucks. So Walmart right now. I'm in the pottery section. These are cute. I wish they had it in different colors, but these are cute too. How much? $3.54. $3.54. Oh, the checker. You guys, I'm so tired of checker. I just can't. This would be cute in a different color. Pink. I love pink, but actually I was in such a pink craze for a while. But yeah, little pottery. This is cute, like Arizona, New Mexico. Oh, they have it in turquoise. This is kind of cute for a pop of color. Jewel toned. This whole new section looks a little cheap, but like I think this is for outdoor. Everything's really not the cutest. But if you're into these colors, $5, $4, not so bad. They have these cute bowls. They're actually plastic, but they look ceramic. Very cute for like a salad. They have the double tray. I am throwing a Memorial Day party. This would be cute. With the green. Cute table runners, $15. This is cute with the frayed edges. A little bit country. Checker. You basket lovers. I do have that one up top I use in my laundry room. But they have some different options. $11.99. $7. It's kind of small for $7. This is cute. $6.54. It's not bad. Floral foam. They have all the dish towels. These are good, but they're a little bit big. These are great. But just look how stained and ugly that would get. You know, after a dish towel starts getting like really stained, it's like I just want to throw it away, and it's so wasteful. You know, when they have white. Like look, for example, look at this one. Stained up. Nobody wants to use that. I love a good trim. Even though I don't really do crafty projects anymore. Like, what can I use this with? Love it. Like a Roman shade. Put like a trim on the bottom. I don't know. I might get, oh, look at this. This is better. Look at this. Love a good meat market. So I'm getting my meats. Okay, so the first item I got from Walmart was this. And it's actually metal, and I really like the inside green color. And this would be perfect. I'm having a Memorial Day party, so this would be perfect. And then to coordinate, I got this little bowl, which is metal again. I love the green. And then I got these coordinated cups. So this would be a whole cute little set. From Joann's that was closing, I just got this high solid gel gloss, which is really good if you want to make artwork. So I got a big piece of canvas and I plan on painting something. This one, coarse aluminum. I used to get a lot of these at Blick Art Supply, and they're pretty expensive, but I felt like Joann's, I felt like they pumped up the price just so they could say later half off. You know what I'm saying? And then I got two brushes. These have really nice, smooth, you know, horsehair or whatever they make it out of. So I got that. Okay, now let me show you what I got from HomeGoods. So I just pretty much, I wanted to stock up on towels because every so often I have accidents. We have to use the towels for like cleaning up a spill. And so I ended up throwing out a lot of them. They get stained up. So I got two gray, and this is like waffle weave. But you know, they actually have better towels, you guys, at World Market. So I got two in the gray, three in the white. And I think this is called Balfour Home, oh no, Hotel Balfour. I got 4 white towels and 2 gray. So I got those. And then I got some rags. If you want to see, we're going to use these for the bathroom makeover. If you want to see my bathroom renovation video, it will be live on Sunday. It'll be live on Sunday. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I've never had one of these before. It's a candle warmer. I thought it was cute with the smoked glass and the gold. I don't know what's in here. I think this is just the cord. So you put the candle here, plug it in, and it warms it up. And this is cute, and it's glass. Then I got this set of ribbed. You get 4. And we can put these in my mini bar later. So we got these, set of 4. That's cute. You know, I put this back and I wasn't gonna get it, but I'm just like a sucker for a tray, and this is a rib tray. It would actually look really cute if I put it right here. But I plan on giving it to my daughter. That looks kind of cute too. Kind of small for the space, but I think my daughter will really enjoy using this like as an accessory on her little desk. Yeah, and it has nice little rubber pads on the bottom. I grabbed these for the Memorial Day party. I thought it was cute because you get 20 and they have this little pearl detailed edging. Then I got this for scrubbing the dishes. And then I picked this up from Joann's as well, this like cute little rib trim. This would be cute if you want to make like a Roman shade or like something for your pillow. This would be really cute. So I got that. Last item that I got was this, which I love. It's a folding tray. It has this really cute scalloped detail, and it was only 60 bucks. So I feel like this will go perfect in the playroom because I don't have a lot of seating in there. And yeah, when I have my party, everyone can put their stuff on it. Super cute. Got all the towels tucked away. And I like this area because I have all this spot for linens, table linens, pillowcases, sheets. Okay guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. This Sunday, I will share my DIY bathroom cabinet refinishing.